It was a magnificent festival, which saw more than 1,000 patrons, 37 booth holders, and 64 farmers participating in a 3-day celebration of all things coffee. Here we are today, launching the second annual coffee festival, following last year's hugely successful inaugural event. This year promises to be bigger and better.
We'll be having the seminars starting on day one. We will again be doing our educational seminars to the farmers throughout both those who produce Jamaica Blue Mountain Coffee as well as High Mountain Coffee. And this year the seminars will be held at UTEC, and we are trying to increase the numbers. So we thought we'd bring it a little closer in so we can get more farmers to participate, and we're very excited for that. We will also be having again this year our Barista Competition, and we'll be having other seminars geared towards our patrons, introducing you to the history of coffee, how to make a perfect brewed cup of coffee. On day 2, we go up to Newcastle for the festival marketplace, which will have coffee and coffee-infused products. We heard some of the things we had last year: coffee scrub, we had coffee-infused pork and chicken, and we had coffee rice, coffee bami, coffee flour, coffee ice cream, you name it, we had it, coffee cake, coffee liqueur. So there is going to be a lot of coffee in various varieties and forms. And then on day 3, we will be celebrating our Blue Mountain Culinary Trail. We have 14 stops along the trail, going all the way over to Blue Ridge and Mavis Bank, as well as we'll have Raft Jam Cafe, Blue Strawberry Hill, Crystal Edge, Belcourt, Crichton Estate, Heritage Garden and Cold Spring, Gap, and Hollywell. Hollywell this year will be having Misty Bliss on the same weekend as the Coffee Festival, so it's really going to be a full weekend of activities. Finishing at around 6 p.m. including a concert. Parking is at UTEC, not anywhere along the road, not anybody close to Newcastle. We had a lot of challenges with that last year, and we expect increased numbers. So with the support of the police, if you park, you might not see your car when you come back. On Sunday, there is no shuttle service from UTEC. Parking will be at Newcastle on Sunday. Pre-sale tickets will go on sale. It's $1,500 for adults. We'll also have children price tickets. As well as, if we're not sold out before, we will have tickets on sale at UTEC. This coffee festival is just one of the many tools that will be used to continue to grow and build the awareness of the Jamaica Blue Mountain Coffee.
Jamaica Blue Mountain Coffee Festival then represents the coming together of 2 of the country's most important economic industries: tourism and coffee. A creative concept to showcase our rich coffee tradition, diversify our tourism product, and extend tourism's benefit to the coffee community.